Lesson 1. Using filters and rules. In this lesson, we'll discuss how to use filters and rules to organize your emails. One of the most effective ways to manage your email inbox is to use filters and rules to organize your emails. Filters and rules are automated tools that can sort incoming emails into specific folders or categories based on criteria that you specify. This can help keep your inbox organized, reduce clutter, and find important emails quickly. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use filters and rules to organize your emails. Identify the criteria for your filters and rules. The first step in using filters and rules is to identify the criteria that you want to use to sort your emails. You can use a variety of criteria such as sender, subject line, keywords, and recipient. For example, you can create a filter that moves all emails from a specific sender into a designated folder, or a rule that sends all emails with a specific keyword to a specific category. Set up your filters and rules. Once you've identified the criteria for your filters and rules, you can set them up in your email client. The process for setting up filters and rules varies depending on the email client you're using, but most email clients have a filter or rules option that you can access in the Settings or Preferences section. Test your filters and rules. After you have set up your filters and rules, it's a good idea to test them to make sure that they're working correctly. Send yourself an email that meets the criteria for your filter or rule and check to see if it's sorted into the correct folder or category. If it's not, you may need to adjust the criteria or settings for that filter or rule. Review and update your filters and rules. As you receive new emails, you may find that you need to update the filters and rules to better reflect your needs. Review them periodically to make sure that they're still relevant and effective. You may also want to create new filters and rules or delete old ones as your needs change. Use caution with your filters and rules. While they can be very helpful in organizing your emails, they could also lead to important emails being sorted into the wrong folder or category. To avoid this, use caution when setting them up and make sure to test them before relying on them too heavily. Using filters and rules can be an effective way to organize your emails and reduce clutter in your inbox. By identifying the criteria for your filters and rules, setting them up in your email client, testing them, reviewing and updating them periodically, and using caution when setting them up, you can manage your emails more efficiently and effectively.